measurement of that body cost, that is called as a cost unit. And next one is the software. Next one is the electronics. So different we are going to identify different centers. They are going to work on it. Then they are going to work on it. They are going to decide the cost of the product. So I will give the one more example. Just listen. Yeah. What is the nature of cost accounting? Nature of cost accounting is simple. So I'll give one example. Instead of using that, using that our text material, I can explain with my own example. That is, uh, yeah. Are you able to see this whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Right. See, to manufacturing something, what we require compulsory. For example, we are producing one X product. One X product. Okay, this is the our product. So to manufacturing this X product, we require raw material first. Without raw material, can you produce this? No. Okay. And we require labor. We require other than raw material and labor, other expenses also incurred. So whatever these three is called as a elements of cost. Is it clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
as per cost accounting, already elements of cost we know. That is, how many types we classified? Three.
Three types.
First one is raw material. Second one is labor.
Other
Third one
expenses.
is
Expenses.
other expenses. Okay. Again, these raw material we classified into two categories.
Direct, indirect.
Very good. So direct raw material,
Indirect raw material.
indirect raw material. Okay. Labor also we classified into two categories. Direct labor and
Direct labor, indirect labor.
indirect labor. Expenses also we classified two types. Direct expenditure and
Indirect.
indirect expenditure. So here, what is the meaning of direct raw material, indirect raw material, direct labor and direct expenditure and indirect expenditure? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of it? Do you know anyone? Simple. Just remember one thing. I will tell you. Direct raw material means what? Whatever material we are used in the production. Okay. Whatever material which we are used in production, which are used in directly in production, that is called as a direct material. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So which
Yes, sir.
any material which is traceable in production, if you identified in the production, that is called as a direct material, raw material. Okay. What is the indirect material? Which is not involved in the production. Which is not involved in the production. So means what? Which material used but not traceable in production. Is it clear? That is called as a indirect raw material. What is the difference between direct material and indirect material? Simple. It can be traceable. It cannot be traceable. It can be used in the direct production. It cannot be used in the production. Is it clear? See, I'll give one example. One X person is running the one X person is maintaining the hotel. His business is main revenue will generate by selling of biryani. Okay. To make the biryani, whatever basmati rice is used, chicken used, and chef also worked. So first I'm talking about the material only, not about the labor. So basmati rice and that chicken direct material. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Whatever items we are used to make the biryani, that item, the material is direct raw material. For example, we purchased some Vim soap. Okay, Vim soap we are not going to use the making of biryani, but Vim soap can use it for the washing of that items. Okay, whatever material we are using to clean that equipment, we are going to use. But this is also part of this cost also we are going to incur. So it means what? Whatever items we are using the production, that is direct material. Whatever material which not part of production, but it is also we are going to spend. So that is called as a indirect material. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Next
sir.
one is direct labor. See, direct labor means what? Generally, uh, to make the biryani, who will work? Chef.
Chef.
Chef will work. Okay. So the chef is the main labor of our product. The chef is a main person, main labor. See, in biryani house, some security guards also there. Some in parking, valet parking also there is a labors. So they are involving. Are they involving the producing of biryani, manufacturing of biryani,
No.
making of biryani?
No. No.
But they are also labors. Chef is a direct labor. This security guard and other person is a indirect labor.
Direct.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
coming
sir.
to direct expenses and indirect expenses. Direct expenses means what? Whatever expenditure incurred to purchasing of that basmati rice and what is that? Chicken.
Chicken, sir. Chicken.
That
And
that expenses
ingredients.
that expenses are direct expenses. Indirect expenses, whatever amount we spend for the Vim.
Vim soap.
Yes, that is indirect expenses. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So means direct labor and direct labor and indirect expenses, indirect labor, like this we are going to identify. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing, based on expenditure, the all direct expenses. Direct expenses means what? Raw material cost, direct labor, direct expenditure.
Direct
This
expenditure.
total cost, this three of total cost is called as a prime cost. What is this?
Prime cost.
Prime cost. Okay. What is
Okay.
that? This direct raw material, direct labor, direct expenditure. These three called as a, what is that?
Prime
These three,
cost.
Prime cost.
prime cost. What about this indirect expenditure? What about this indirect expenditure? Indirect expenditure plus indirect labor and indirect expenditure. These three is called as a overheads.
Overheads.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is the elements of cost. Now coming to the our chapter. Mm, 1 second. So now if they ask any question, if they ask about the direct labor or direct elements of cost, are you able to write?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now coming to the our syllabus, what is the scope of that cost accounting? I'll share. Yeah.
Cost ascertainment.
Yeah. Right. Coming to the point. First one is what? Cost ascertainment. Ascertainment. See, cost ascertainment. What?
The main objective of cost
Cost
accounting is that
assignment. Cost assignment means what? For example, you are manufacturing one goods, one product. You are preparing one product. Okay. You made one. You made one product. To sell that, to sell the product. First of all, you know how much expenditure incurred to producing of this product. If you know that, then only you're able to sell. You're you're able to decide the selling price. Am I correct?
yes.
Cost ascertainment means to know the cost, whatever amount incurred to preparing of this particular product. Is it clear?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Decide. To assign means what? Decide. Next one is the cost accounting. Cost
Account-
accounting means what? Whatever amount incurred as a expenditure for the making of that product, whatever we are going to record and whatever expenditure into preparation of that particular product. So that is called as a cost accounting. Cost control means what? Cost control is the guidance and regulation by execution of action. See, when you are making that biryani, you know how much amount will spend, where we are able to reduce the cost, and where we want to spend that. So, cost control talks about the guidance and regulation of the execution of action. What purpose? To control the cost. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, cost reduction, cost audits. So, these all are go through once. Next one is the objective of
Cost accounting.
right. Yeah, objective of cost accounting. First objective is what? Why we are reading cost accounting? For example, one tea stall, the tea seller will decide one tea is equal to 10 rupees. Okay. How he can decide? He is going to use 50 ml milk, 2 rupees sugar, 2 rupees the tea podi. So based on that 50 ml, 10 rupees the milk. His cost is what? 9 rupees. His cost is what? For example, 14 rupees. So he's ascertaining the cost, whatever amount is spent. So then automatically based on his total cost is what? 14 rupees. Plus his profit 5 rupees or 6 rupees. So total selling cost is equal to 20 rupees. So ascertain the cost of the product or services to determine the selling price. Main objective of cost accounting is what? To decide the selling price. Second objective is what? To control the cost. See, where cost incurring, where how much is waste cost incurring. So if you know that, if you have idea, then you are able to reduce. So cost and control will tell. So for example, instead of using 2 rupees tea podi, you can use 1.5 rupees only. That is cost control. Instead of using more sugar, 1.5 only you are going to use. So like that. So to control the cost also we are going to use. And to provide the basis for the management formula policies. Cost accounting main objective is to provide the basis for the management formula policies to carry out the functions efficiently. Simple. It will help to justify main cost. So that is the major objective of cost. And other objective, simple. You can remember only 3 points. To know the cost of the product, cost accounting will help. Okay. To reduce the cost, you can talk. First objective is what? Ascertainment of cost. Second one is decide the selling price. Third one is cost control. Fourth one is cost reduction. Fifth one is giving of information to the management. So these are the main objectives of the cost. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next
Yes,
one.
sir.
What is the difference between cost accounting and financial accounting? See, there is a information in your text material. There is a information you can go through. Okay, I will explain few. I will explain few. That is share whiteboard. Are you able to see whiteboard?
Yes, sir. Coming.
Are, are you? Is it visible? Hello. Is it visible or not? Can anyone talk?
Downloading, sir.
Not visible. Okay, I'll again. I'm trying to share. Share whiteboard. Are you seeing?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now topic is what? Financial accounting versus
Cost
Cost
accounting.
cost
accounting.
accounting. Okay. Right. This is very important question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is very important question. Listen. So first of all, I'll talk about the basis. What is the meaning of financial accounting? Financial accounting, we are going to record. Okay. We record the transactions, classifying the transactions, summarize the transactions. So all accounting information only we are going to take. Please don't use that board Redmi 9. You are using that. You are drawing something. Okay, don't touch. So financial accounting talks about the recording of business transactions, classifying of business transactions, summarizing the business transactions, and interpreting the business transactions. Okay, interpreting the business transactions. Cost accounting talks about what? The main purpose is what? To ascertain the cost. Sai Kiran, to ascertain the cost, to decide the selling price, to control the cost. So these purpose we are going to use the cost accounting. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, next. So when we are going to prepare that financial accounting duration,
Oh,
generally financial accounts we are going to prepare end of the year.
end of the year.
End of the year. But cost accounting will prepare based on the based on the manufacturing or service of the product. Is it clear? Financial accounts, what will tell, what will talk? To know the financial performance. To know the financial performance purpose, we are going to prepare the financial accounting. Cost accounting, what purpose we are going to use? To know the cost ascertained per unit wise. Per unit wise, we are going to prepare. Is it clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
financial accounting is mandatory. This is very important as per Companies Act. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
For the Companies Act, according to Companies Act, compulsory we need to prepare all accounts like
Trading
income
account.
statement
Profit and
and
loss account, balance sheet,
income statement is that only profit and loss account. Okay, profit and loss account.
balance
Next
sheet.
one balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
Next one cash flow statement. These all are as per Companies
Yes, sir.
Act. It is required to prepare. But cost accounting is not like that. Big manufacturing industries, they are going to implement this cost accounting. Is it clear? Not, there is no act for preparation of cost accounts. And to preparation of financial accounts, pro forma also we required particular pro forma. We did ledger,
Yes,
ledger how we journal how we recorded date, particulars, a ledger folio, debit amount and credit amount.
sir.
And
Amount.
cost accounting, there is no particular pro forma. Is it clear? According to your convenience, you are going to prepare. Is it
Okay.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here, financial accounting, end of the year, we are going to prepare. In cost accounting, continuously, according to the function of the element, we are going to prepare. So these are the differences which are there in the which are there in our syllabus. So financial accounting will give the financial performance results. Cost accounting will give that individual component wise cost. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And this financial accounting talks about the only quantitative items which are measured in money terms we are going to consider. But cost accounting, quantitative as well as qualitative factors also we are going to consider. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
These are the differences between cost accounting versus financial
Finance.
accounting. Right? Chalo, coming to the our syllabus again. Next. Next topic is what?
Difference between cost accounting and management accounting.
Yeah, difference between cost accounting and management accounting. See, management account, these three are the branches of accounts. So cost accounting will help to ascertain the cost of the service or product. Management accounting will help to for managers take the suitable decision. Is it clear? Management accounting talking about the to taking of best decision by the managers. That is
Yeah.
only. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Right. Here you see here. Management accounting is not management accounting is not confined with the area of product costing price.
Think cost
Management
and
accounting objective is have a data pool which includes the any information that management needed. Is it clear?
yeah.
Okay. I will tell you again, nothing to worry. Next topic will come. Next. Yeah, this is the chapter number 1. Next to chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 is what?
Importance and installation of cost accounting.
Yeah, here only one question you have to learn. That is importance
Advanced
and installation of
cost
cost
accounting.
accounting
Cost
system.
accounting.
See, first of all, a cost accounting installation means what? Importance means what? See, if you are running one manufacturing unit or if you are running one factory, if it is small, you are able to remember all these things. And manually you are going to record. Am I correct?
Yes,
When
Yes,
sir.
sir.
it is big, when it was big, that time what happened? We required proper system to record all the accounts. Am I correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So that system is nothing but a cost. Hello. That
Yes,
system
sir.
is called as a cost installation system. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, objective against the cost accounting. These all are not required. Okay. The important thing is principles of cost accounting. Yeah, installation of cost account. This topic is very important. They are going to ask the long-term question, long question from here only. Installation of costing system. Installation of costing system means what? Costing system means the method or principles of recording the all cost expenditure elements related. Is it clear? First, before installation of this costing system, what we have to do? First, determine the objectives. What purpose you are installing, which type of data you have to record, and what is the criteria to record the data. That all the objectives first you need to determine. Next one is study the nature of business. See which type of business you are doing and what type of products you are producing. So what are the raw material you are using? That related information you have to study. So according to suitable system you have to install. We don't know any what we are going to do. How can you install the programming? It is very difficult. Is it clear? So at the same time, study the nature of organization. What is the size of organization? What are the plant layout we are using? What is the management are there? And what is the centralization or decentralization authority is there? What is the nature of the authority relationship is there? That all are we are going to discuss. Is it clear? And
Yes.
determination of cost rates. So classification of cost, whether it is direct expenditure or indirect expenditure. So methods of pricing we are issuing, treatment of wastage, absorption costing. See, to install one costing system, these are all the aspects we are going to discuss. Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay. Next one is the organization of the cost office, introducing the system, lack of support from the top management. So these are the just you go through up to here only. Okay. This is the theory part. Only 7 headings you have to learn. Then it will complete. Next one is the important topic is yeah methods of costing. Listen before the discussion of these cost accounts, we classified cost classified into cost classifications, methods, and techniques. Methods are called as a unit costing, job costing, batch costing, contract costing, process costing, operating costing. Techniques, marginal costing, absorption costing, standard costing, budget costing. So one by one, what is the unit costing? So unit costing means what? The method of costing which can be adapted in the industries. Continuous production. See, I'll give one example. There is a ready-made shop is there, tailoring shop is there. Every day 200 shirts, same size, same model they are stitching. So that is called as a unit costing. Or Polarity Sweet House is there. 200 sweets every day they are producing. Same. That is unit costing. Unit costing means what? The method of costing which can adapted in the industries having the continuous production. Units which are identical and standardized. Same products which are we are going to produce. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Next, job costing. Job costing means what? See, this method, this method of costing which each job is taken as a cost unit. For example, Now, school uniforms 100 same we produce in the unit costing. Job costing means what? Some X person is given according to his requirement of order. For example, uh, A is a person. She want to some different kind of dress. Instead of routine dresses, she orders separately or necklace or any particular only one exclusively for that only they are going to give the order. So that is called as the job costing. So job is different, unit cost is this is same product they are going to produce. Job is particularly on order based we are going to do it. Next one is the batch costing. Batch costing means what? The number of small orders passed through the factory. For example, pharmaceutical industries is there. 200 paracetamols we require. 200 they are going to produce. So 200 is the batch. So here means what? The number of small orders passed through the factory in the batch. So that is it clear? Contract costing. Contract costing means what? The cost of production ascertained the each contract. The application of contract. See, this unit costing, job costing, batch costing, these all methods. Again, we have separate chapters. That time again I'm going to explain. But contract costing means what? The cost of production ascertained each contract. It is a applied to the contract and erection of industries. For example, contract costing, I will give the one example. L and T is their company. We given metro project to L and company. Government is given. So it means what? There are government and L and T, they entered into the agreement to completion of that contract. So that is called as a contract costing. Process costing means what? To finished goods, raw material can involve several processes. First process, they are going to do some work. Then they are going to send to the next process. They are going to finish some work. Next process, they are going to finish. To become a finished goods, it is going to be introduced many processes. That is called as a process costing. Operating costing means what? To ascertain the cost relating to the service rendered. For example, you went for the restaurant. That fellow is given the restaurant, the fellow is provided service. That cost we are going to calculate. That is operating costing. You taken large, you taken rent. For example, transportation to reach from Kukatpalli to Secunderabad, whatever the amount is incurred, the providing of transportation service oriented related costs to ascertain that this is called as a operating costs. Is it clear? Marginal costing is variable cost. Absorption costing is the total cost. Generally, cost we classified it. Cost includes variable cost, fixed cost, sometimes semi-variable cost. These three total is called as a total cost. Total cost. Is it clear? So marginal cost means what? Whenever we are going to talk only particularly variable cost, that is marginal cost. Absorption cost means what? The combination of aggregate of total cost. Standard costing means what? It is the comparison between the actual costs and predetermined budget cost. So before purchasing, we are going to estimate some cost. And after purchasing, some cost, original cost is incurred. The comparison of this actual cost to determined cost, that is called as the difference is called as a variance in standard costing. Budget costing means what? Estimated costs are called as a budget cost. Is it clear? So these are the difference between cost accounting techniques and cost accounting methods. Next chapter. Hello?
Elements of cost.
Yeah, elements of cost already I explained.
Yeah.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
I am going to show that. See, direct material, direct labor, direct expenditure, direct material. See, this direct material, see here, elements of cost.
Mm.
What is that? Material is there, labor is there, other expenses there.
Yeah.
Again, they classified these three elements classified into further subdivided into two types, direct cost and indirect cost. Direct cost is what is that? Direct material, direct labor, and direct expenditure. Already I told. These three are also called as what? Prime
Direct
cost.
cost.
Cost or prime cost.
Yes. Next to direct cost, after that indirect cost. Other than direct material, direct labor, direct expenditure, remaining all are indirect expenditure. So
Yeah.
indirect expenditure what? Indirect
Oh.
material.
Direct labor,
Next,
indirect expenses.
yeah. See, here I clearly mentioned. So indirect labor, indirect material, indirect expenses, that all are overheads. So whatever I explained already it is there. So
Yeah.
direct material, direct labor, direct expenditure is called as a prime cost.
Prime
And
cost.
direct material, indirect labor, indirect overhead cost.
Overhead.
This direct cost plus prime cost, direct costs are prime cost plus
Total cost.
overheads are on cost is called as a total cost. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
సార్
Next.
సార్
Yes.
యూనిట్ కాస్ట్ కి ప్రాసెస్ కాస్ట్ కి ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పండి సార్ కంపేర్ అంటే
Right,
ప్రాసెస్
right.
కాస్ట్
I will tell you. Yeah, listen. Unit cost and process cost. Yeah, this already I completed. Just wait, I will explain.
Mm.
Hmm. I'll take. Are you able to see that whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Right.
సార్
Now, process cost. First, I will talk about the process cost. Process costing. Next, I will talk about the unit costing. Okay. Right. So, process costing. Which one you? Just wait. Just wait. Yeah. What? Unit costing. Yes. I'm talking about unit costing. This it is processing of producing one product, processing to make product without any changes. Same identical product we are going to produce in one place only. Okay. For example, sheds. Sheds. Okay. Sheds are going to produce 38 sheds, 300. Where you are going to produce? Only one place we are going to do the stitching. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Processing what? For example, we want to manufacture one car. Okay. We want to manufacture one car. That is, first we are going to, what we will do? First, before process number one, body of the car we are going to prepare. Body of the
Sir.
car. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Body of the car means that iron, entire iron body first we are going to prepare. Then this X board in X we are going to complete. Then the body of the car we have to set installation that engineering department we are going to set. So that to set engineering board. Okay. So then once body is ready, that
Sir, voice is not clear, sir.
hello.
Yes, sir.
ఏమైంది డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయిండు. Can anyone talk?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. చెప్పండి. sir, చెప్పండి.
Yeah. So it means what? The after completion of that engine fixing, first we are going to make the body, then we are going to fix the engine, then it is going to be sent for the interior designing. So to completion of that car, we send to different processes. So that is called as a process costing. Is there any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Yeah, right. Chalo. Coming to the next. Next topic is what?
Cost classification.
Yeah. So first, cost classification I will talk. Right. This is very important. As a commerce student, every student must know the classification of cost. If you know about the classification of cost, 50% preparation will complete. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. First, I will talk about the classification of cost. The cost we can classify based on nature, based on function, based on variability, based on controllability, normality, and by time. Is it clear? So first element is element wise. Element wise already I explained that. What is that? Raw material. Do you remember that elements of cost?
Raw
Material, labor,
Yes.
expense.
That is first one is the material, next one is the labor, next one is the other expenditure. Is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
the cost can be classified broadly into three categories. That is material cost, labor cost, and other expenditure cost. That is first category. Second category is what? Second category will talks about the basis of functions. So basis of function, how we are going to classify production cost, administration cost, selling and distribution cost. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the function. Next one is what? See, production means what? This functions only again here explain. Production means what? Generally, whatever the amount incurred in factory, that is called as a production. To maintain that factory, what supervisor also required? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
One office also required, office setup. See, this is the plant. X employee, Y employee, some Z machinery working here. Whatever cost working in the factory, that is called as a production expenditure. Is it clear? This is the head office. To maintain this factory, one manager is there, one director is there. To purchase of their material, these office people can work. Whatever cost incurred for these people, that is called as the administration cost. So they provided, they manufactured, and the finished goods is ready. So the raw material converted into finished goods. These finished goods compulsory we have to sell. So to selling of that finished goods, some expenses incurred, that is called as a selling and distribution expenses. Is it clear? So based on functions, production expenses, administration expenses, selling and distribution expenses. So these are the expenditure. Next one is third one, variability be based on behavior. Variable cost, fixed cost, and semi-variable cost. Variable cost means what? When product increase, when we are going to produce the product, if it is the raw material cost linked with the production cost, that is called as a variable cost. For example, uh, I will tell you, one example. Variable cost. For example, if you want to purchase, uh, eggs, for example, two members, two eggs required. If third person will add, automatically what we are going to do?
Another egg will add.
Yes, another way. First egg cost is 5 rupees. That is person number one. When second one produce, another 5. So first cost is 5 rupees. Second one is 10 rupees. When third person is there, 5 rupees
50,
variable cost. But total cost is what happened?
15.
15 rupees. So it means what? The volume of output are known as a variable cost. The value of output. Simply, you can say that the change of cost because change of output, whatever cost incurred, that is called as a variable cost. For example, in your home, 5 members are living. Okay. Per month cost is 5,000 rupees. Okay. Your rent is 5,000 rupees. If another person will add, the rent will what happen? 5,000 only. It will not change. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
fixed cost. Okay. For example,
Yes.
these 5 members per day lunch cost is 500. For how many members? 5 members.
5 members.
If one person added,
600 will be.
another 100 will increase. This is variable cost. Okay. What is the difference between fixed cost and variable cost? Variable cost will change with the output. Fixed cost will not be changed
Not
with the
change.
output. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next. Next one is by controllability. It is very simple. Semi-fixed cost means what? 50% fixed, 50% is variable. Semi-fixed controllability means what? Which cost we can control, that is controllable cost. Which cannot be controlled, uncontrollable cost. Simple. Okay. And based on time also, based on time, we, what is that? We segregated cost. First one is
Historical cost.
historical cost. Historical cost means what? The cost ascertained after the incurred. That is called as a historical cost. Estimated cost. Estimated cost means what? Estimated costs are predetermined costs which are computed advance before production. See, we want to make the biryani. So before only we are going to estimate the cost. That is estimated cost. Already after completion of biryani, whatever cost incurred, that is historical cost. Standard cost. That is difference between estimated cost and actual cost. Compared with the actual cost to estimated cost, that is called as a variancy. So that is called as the standard cost. Is it clear? Next, other cost, differential cost, opportunity cost. Go through once, I will explain. Yeah. Differential cost and opportunity cost means what? So differential cost means the cost result of contemplated change of output or know the differential cost. Differential cost may be incremental cost or decremental cost. Incremental cost refers to added cost, net increased cost due to the increasing of output, where the decremental cost means reduction of the cost resulting change of decreasing of output. I will give one example. Three members, lunch cost is 300. Is it hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, respond please. So three members, lunch cost is 300 rupees. If 1% added, then cost of amount what happened?
400.
400.
400. If person left, then cost what happened?
200.
Right. So now we can read the cost which is result come out. Output means what? 3 to 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 to 4 it is changed. The cost also increased 400. That is incremental cost or differential cost. For example, out of 3 members, fellow left, remaining 2 members also there. That is 2 members cost is 200. Out of 300, 100 cost is less. That is decremental cost.
Mm.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
What is the opportunity cost? Opportunity cost, it is called as a, it is simply we can say that is the foregone costing. Okay. See, you want to travel from Kukatpalli to Tarnaka. For metro, it is 60 rupees. Your friend given lift free of cost. 20 rupees petrol charges only taken. Out actually your cost is how much? 60 rupees, but you
60.
spent only 20 rupees. But how much you reduced?
40 rupees.
That is opportunity. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So whatever cost forgone, okay, that is called as opportunity cost. Next, yeah, non-cost expenses. Non-cost expenses means what? This is very important. Non-cost expenses means purchase or sale of fixed assets. In our last, what we will take, but other expenses will take. This purchase of sale of cost, can you take the cost? No. Okay. If profit will asset we want to consider. Is it audible?
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Audible.
voice is breaking, sir.
Of shares and debentures. See, these are the finance activities not covered under the costing. Discount of issue of shares, brokerage of underwriter coming. Any finance related, any cost, we are not going to be considered. Only which we are considered in cost accounting, material related, labor related, and other expense related. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next one is what? Yeah, this one also. What is the time now?
110.
Yeah. Can I another 20 minutes? Take
Sir, class will be continue or disconnect, sir?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tomorrow I'll continue. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
You take lunch. You
Okay,
get
sir.
ready for the next class.
Okay, sir.
If next class will not run, you can inform. I will take.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think you people have my contact number.
Yes, sir.
Right.